Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create an admin account in our Node.js application. So let's get started. As you can see, the app.js file. So on the top, I'm going to import here Mongoose. After importing it, I'm going to load the MongoDB URI from the .env file. So let me create a variable with the name Mongo URI. So we have to load the MongoDB URI from the .env file. So it will be a process.env dot the variable name that we have MongoDB URI. Now after that, let me call here the import that we have Mongoose and the method that is a connect. Inside the argument of this, we have to pass here the MongoDB URI. So here I'm going to add dot then, where we have a console.log with the message connected to MongoDB when the connection is established successfully. After that, we have a catch block where we have to catch the error. And here I'm going to add console.error to print the error message. The string that we have, MongoDB connection error. With this, we have to print the error. Now, as you can see, we got the string in the console that is connected to MongoDB. After that, I'm going to create a new file inside the utils package with the name common.js. Inside this file, I'm going to import bcrypt and the user model. After that, let me import here the user model from the models package. Let me add here the path that we have model/user. After importing these, I'm going to create an async function with the name create an admin account. So it will be async. Inside this, we have a try and the catch block. The catch block will catch an exception in case of method failing. So let me catch here the error, and inside this we have a console.error to print the error message. The string that we have error creating admin account. With this we have to print the error. We have to export this method, so it will be a module.exports, and we have to export the create an admin account method. After that, I'm going to add the credentials of the admin inside the .env file. As you can see, the admin account details where we have a email, password, first name and the last name. The email that we have admin@test.com and the password that we have admin. Now inside the create an admin account method, I'm going to load admin account details from the .env file. So first let me load here email, and it will be from process.env.admin_email. After that, let me load here the password. So the variable name that we have admin_password. After the password, we have to load here first name. Let me copy the variable name from the .env file. Let me add here. At the last, I'm going to load here the last name and the variable name that we have admin last name. Let me add here. After loading these, I'm going to call the query from the user model that we have find one. So we have to find the user by email. So let me pass here the key that is the email, and we have to pass the email that we are getting from the .env file, and it will be a await. So here I'm going to create a variable with the name existing admin. After getting the user by email, I'm going to add here the if condition where we have to check if the admin account exists. Then we have to return this function. So let me check here the object that we have existing admin. Then we have to return this function. Before returning, we have to show the log where we have a message that is a admin account already exists. If the admin account is not found, then we have to create a new user with the role admin. So here I'm going to create an object of the new user. Inside this, we have an email. After that, we have a first name. Let me pass here the first name that we are getting from the .env file. After that, we have a last name, and we have to pass here the last name from the .env file. Second last, we have to pass here role that is the admin. At the last, we have to pass here the password that will be in a form of hash. Before creating the new object of the user, I'm going to call here the import that is a bcrypt and the method that is a hash. Inside the argument of this, I'm going to pass here the password that we are getting from the .env file. After that, we have to pass here the number of the salt that is a 10. So it will be a await, and here I'm going to create a variable with the name hashed password. With the key password, I'm going to pass here the hashed password. So here I'm going to initialize a variable with the name admin that will be an object. Now after that, let me call the object that we have admin and the query, that is a save, to create the new user in the database. At the last, we have a console.log where we have a string admin account created successfully. Now you can take a look of the common.js file. After that, let me open here app.js with this console.log inside the .then block. I'm going to call the method from the common.js file, that is a create an admin account. Now let me save the .env file. The error we got, illegal arguments, undefined number. Let me check what is the issue. To fix this issue, on the top, I'm going to add here the import, that is a requires.env.config. So let's save this. As you can see, we got the string admin account already exists. Let me open here the MongoDB Compass. As you can see, the admin account. So let me delete this and I'm going to run the Node.js application again. This time we got the string admin account created successfully. Let's go back to the MongoDB Compass. Refresh the user's model. As you can see, the document for the user where we have a role admin. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can document. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.